Let's take a look at this system of two linear equations. In order to solve this problem very quick, we're supposed to use addition subtraction method. Someone is going to say, how you can say so? Look at the fractions, okay? I have, let's say, fraction 3 over y and y over 6. If you are going to multiply the top equation by -2, I'm going to obtain -8 over x, because 4 over x times -2 gives me -8 over x. Positive 3 over y times -2 is going to give me -6 over y equals 2 times -2 gives me -4. And I'm going to copy down the second equation, and I have 12 over x plus 6 over y equals 5. Okay? Please notice that these two terms have exactly the same numerical value, okay? Because I have 6 over y and 6 over y and different signs. So this is the perfect condition for us to apply the method addition subtraction. We're supposed to add these two equations together. So I have -8 over x plus 12 over x. I have two fractions with the same denominator. So this is equal 4 over x. And these two fractions are going to subtract each other. And this is going to be equal -4 plus 5 gives me 1. And I got 4 over x is equal 1. Next, I'm supposed to just apply algebra to find value of x. In order to find x, I have to eliminate the fraction. How I can eliminate the fraction? Always multiply by the denominator both sides of the equation. X and x will cancel out. And I have 4 is equal 1 times x is x. So if x is equal 4. I found the value of x. Next, I have to find value of y. What am I supposed to do? I'm supposed to take one of the equations, and instead of x, I'm supposed to write 4. So I'm going to use the first equation. Why I'm using first equation? Because first equation has lower values in itself, okay? Instead of 12, I prefer to use 4, and instead of 6, I prefer to use 3, and instead of 5, I prefer to use 2. That's why I'm going to copy down the first equation, and I'm going to work with it. So I have 4 over x, let me copy this down, plus 3 over y is equal 2. But instead of x, we're supposed to write 4. We're supposed to substitute this x by 4 because x is equal 4. I have 4 over 4 plus 3 over y is equal 2. 4 over 4 is equal 1 plus 3 over y is equal 2. In order to find value of y, I'm supposed to move this one to the other side. And I have 3 over y is equal 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equal 1, so I have 3 over y is equal 1. In order to find y, I have to eliminate the fraction. Anytime you want to eliminate the fraction, you have to multiply both sides of the equation by the denominator, always by the denominator. So I have y and y will cancel out. And we have 3 is equal 1 times y is equal y. Y is equal 3. So I got value of x and I got value of y. Next, we're supposed to verify if our answers are correct. So let's take a look. First equation, one more time, we have 4 over x plus 3 over y supposed to equal 2. So I have 4, and instead of x, I'm supposed to write 4 because x is equal 4 plus 3 over y. I have 3 divided by y, which is equal 3 is equal 2. 4 divided by 4 is equal 1 plus 3 divided by 3 is 1 is equal 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 is equal to. So we can say that for the first equation, these two values working fine. Let's check the second equation. We have 12 over x plus 6 over y equals 5. I have 12 over 4 because x is equal 4 plus 6 over y, where y is equal 3 is equal 5. 12 divided by 4 is equal 3 plus 6 divided by 3 is equal 2 equals 5. 3 plus 2 is equal 5. 5 equals 5. So at this moment we are 100% sure that this is the correct value of x and this is the correct value of y. That's why we can say that ordered pair of x equals 4 and y equals 3 is the correct solution to this system of two linear equations.